Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a luxurious 6,000 square feet residence for sale. It is located in the tourist capital of Ocho Rios, St. Anne. This property comprises of 8 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, plus helpers' quarters. This residence has two main entrances and can be readily accommodated to have three separate entities, which gives an endless array of possibilities for the desiring purchaser. There are three full kitchens with lovely cedar wood cabinetry and ceramic countertops. Living and dining spaces are very modern and spacious. Large windows throughout this home allows for spectacular scenery, fresh air and natural lights. The swimming pool has a deck area which is nicely positioned next to a well manicured lawn and an entertainment gazebo. Call to arrange viewing or place an offer on this lovely residence. Please note, cash buyers only. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 600,000 or Jamaican $92.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.